That office is higher. So who did change the record? Now, he changed the Ranjana, the timing now of next time will be closer to that. Performance skills. Now, that's a performance. Performance skills are choreograph, coordination in terms of my dynamics and variations. Ngeke umhlabele kweliphezulu, umhlabele kanti afana winners. Now see the kweliphezulu, it's a way of painting. You know so it's way painting with dynamics. We are putting the wave dynamically in terms of history. Because when you say a mountain is down the base of the mountain. Yes, they don't say but the way painting it in. Yes, the brain is down there, but they don't tell woman, it's decide to be. So the way painting itself, the coordination, the of which coordinating and dynamics and variations. How do you variate yourself? Variate and so we have chorus, never doing woman writing chorus. Now what? Put a woman in chorus and put a chorus. Now so we are going to say so now somebody is saying that you're going to pick the chorus. No, that's not okay. For my song, but that's what we can second verse. We do have chorus. Never the chorus to the same we to the part. Because you say keys are the chorus. And in the now, we are not systematic preaching material. The preaching material is from our doing us our Friday window before I take on the chorus. As a field. If preaching material, in data, no matter la marcha, no matter the before I take on the chorus. Because now takes a chorus in the business too. Now we have the chorus. In imagination, no well we are one, now we play the chorus. Then we play the chorus with a very contrasting level of variation in now, now, we are going in a verse, the chorus. The chorus is meaning like God. Immediately said for the chorus there. But it's in a room. How we will be able to effect the chorus that's what we are able to stream. Would have been a singing. Because there was a singing that it's sitting in the floor. So start as a no verse 1, no verse 1, no verse 2, no verse 2, simply one. Number one, will be one and the same chorus. Chorus now. Now, the first chorus, the first Namjan. Never said that. But be in terms of composer, so now find progression into your song, what's it to make a EMB. Oh, that was food and a mood or the way you're Tabarana, that's of Nanga from Namaka. Who call that the mood the figure? If you are very closer to your heart, if you are the mood, it's magic. Ni opening the command of A1. But there's some get at the Macama, William. And now it's no one get alive, no one get that. Are very closer to the listener's ear. So for Father Nopitua, it's form this one. Form right FOM. It's a form. Yes, A1 is the talent head, but I'm telling you the truth. if sekuhlale verse yesi-2 lapha kule ngoma, composer uhlomuleke imuli lapha because kukhona lelo indzaba lesafuna ukuyiteka lesafuna ukuyiveta le manje. Lengiyona is very closer to his heart or to her heart. Sikahle kukhanyekana lesifazana akadomine ngifa. So the way loqambe ngayo ingoma la ifika lo uyithambile wathi usendlini ekuseni waharmonize wavula irekhoda yakho wafana waya ku-17. Why you awakening there? After 17, icala langa lakho licala down, uchama nje komuntu ubeka inyawo la